Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study art anatomy step by step. First, focus on simplifying the human body into basic geometric forms. Think of the torso as a box, the limbs as cylinders, and joints as spheres. This foundational approach helps you grasp three-dimensional volume and perspective, making complex structures more manageable. Practice drawing these simple shapes from many angles to build your visual library. Next, delve into the skeletal structure. The skeleton is the body's framework, determining its proportions and range of motion. Understanding key bones like the skull, rib cage, and pelvis, along with major limb bones, is crucial. This knowledge provides an underlying structure for your figures, ensuring anatomical accuracy and believable poses. Practice drawing the skeleton in various actions. After the skeleton, move on to the muscle groups. Learn the primary muscles, understanding where they attach and how they function. Focus on how these muscles create the contours and forms you see on the body's surface. This step helps you render believable volume and tension. Drawing muscles over your skeletal studies will solidify your understanding of their interaction and impact on the figure. Finally, consistent practice and keen observation are essential. Draw frequently from live models, photographs, and anatomical references. Pay close attention to how light reveals the underlying forms and muscle definition. Regularly review your work and compare it to accurate anatomical charts. This ongoing process will deepen your understanding and improve your artistic representation of the human form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.